Your money makes money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? But with today's technology, it's actually possible. How many times have you thought about investing but got stuck because it felt way too complicated? Maybe you didn't know which stocks to pick, maybe you didn't have the time to track markets, or maybe you thought you needed thousands of dollars to even get started. That's what I like to call analysis paralysis, and it's the biggest reason most people never start investing. But what if you could put your investments on autopilot? That's where Wealth Pilot comes in. This isn't just another finance app, this is your personal AI-powered investment co-pilot. It's one job: to grow your money automatically so you don't have to lift a finger. This is how you make making money completely effortless. Here's how it works. First, you download the app and sign up. Then you answer a few simple questions about your financial goals and how much risk you're comfortable with. Wealth Pilot's smart algorithm uses this to build your perfect personalized portfolio. And here's the best part. You don't need to be rich to start. You can begin with as little as $5 or about 500 rupees. Just set up automatic deposits and that's it. You've activated set and forget mode. From that moment on, the robo-advisor takes over. It automatically diversifies your money across different assets, manages risk, and constantly rebalances your portfolio. You live your life, Wealth Pilot works the night shift. So let's break down why this is so powerful. First, true passive income. Your wealth grows in the background without you micromanaging it. Second, it's incredibly easy. If you can use a social media app, you can use Wealth Pilot. And third, it's accessible. No giant deposits, no excuses. Start small, dream big. Your financial freedom shouldn't be complicated. It should be automatic. So what are you waiting for? Stop letting your money sleep on the job. Put it to work today. Check the link in the description to download Wealth Pilot and start your autopilot investing journey. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Because remember, your money should be working as hard as you do, even while you're asleep.